So I won't need this old one anymore because the new one goes in the opposite direction, and obviously this isn't going to work for the hardwired. So to hide this, to route these cables, I'm just going to put it up, have it go straight up. I'm going to tuck it behind, in between the window and the ceiling here. Just run this all the way down to the corner here. There we go. When I get over to the corner here, I'm actually going to run this through here. Get in there. See, now it's kind of hidden there in the steering column, or not the steering column, what am I talking about? Let me see if I could run this here behind this weather stripping. Now this cable is shielded, so usually I would try to tuck it back up in there more, but like I said, this here is perfectly fine. It's brand new, there's no frayed edges. Then I'd worry about water touching it. Right now I don't care. I'll put this whole end, dip it in a cup of water, it's not going to do anything. So I'm going to run this all the way down here. And it kind of hurts your finger, you just got to suck it up and do it. Okay. So now is the real question. So now that I can run this behind here and that entire cord's pretty much hidden, yeah, what do I do with the rest of this cord? So when I got to here, I basically just folded all the cables together, put a zip tie on it, and actually there's a spot. This is an 024 Taurus. This is the OBD2 port. You have a bolt here, right up in here. You have a little space. You can just shove it. And seems for now it's pretty much out of the way. I should put the cover back on the fuse box, but right now I'm not going to because I just don't feel like it.